So today's episode, I am switching out this rear shower unit right here. Basically, due to old age and sun damage, this thing right here has fallen off. So we're gonna go camping soon. I'm gonna need to remove this and put a new unit in. And that's what I'm doing. This is what I have to do. These are particularly special screws. You'll notice it's a square head. And so if you don't know where to get these little bits right here, Harbor Freight sells them at the store. And it comes in variations like this. And this is a Warrior brand from Harbor Freight. And it's very useful. It's got torque screws, it's got this type of head, it's got the square heads here, and so it's got variations of whatever you need. So that it's good to invest in one. So I'm gonna have to remove these little putty. I gotta go get me some. Let's do this first. Let's do this right here. Out comes this thing. So here, we're gonna reuse this because we don't want any. Well, it's reusable, so we're gonna reuse this again. Out. All right, so after you clean this with your putty knife, best you can, what you do is you go to your local hardware store, get your plumber's putty. So now, get your new unit. So I'll show you WW1308W. So how I figure this out is because I measure from here to here, and here to here to get the right width. So that's what I did. So let's open her up. And see if she fits. There she is. Okay. So she comes with a key. There she comes with the shower head and all this bad boy back there. Not bad boy, but awesome things. Alright, so now I'm gonna screw these screws in. just wood inside. So this is obviously not good anymore. So I decided to make a new hole. So yep, this is it, guys. I just need to fix the putty here so it's sealed. And let me know what your thoughts are. Pretty easy peasy. And this goes back like this, like the old one. And that's it, guys.